guys, your girl actiionjaackson back with another video. Today will be the long-awaited weight loss video. I'm going to be telling y'all everything I did, what I tried, what worked, what didn't work, the whole process of me losing weight. If you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? My name is Katie. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also turn on those post notifications so you can see when I upload a video. I said that so damn fast. Let me just say this first before I forget and people be commenting. This hair is from limitlessbundles.com. It is their Indian bodywave. I have a 20-inch closure. This is also a glueless wig. I have a 20-inch closure with 22, 24, 26 bundles. This hair is super duper soft and I love it. It's just something about that straight, long middle part for, you know, the fall season. It's just so freaking cute. So I have been losing weight. Right now I'm not really trying to lose weight. Right now I'm kind of maintaining and toning. But all of this started about a year ago. Yeah, probably around September. I didn't start being serious until like October, but around September of 2018 was when I realized, like, okay, you're getting a little too big, you get a little round, you get a little circular, so you need to get something in order. I always in high school was like 140 to 150. I played volleyball. I did dance for a while, but like once I stopped all that, I started picking up weight. I also started birth control in high school, so you know how that goes. Definitely had weight gain with that. When I started birth control, I remember like I didn't even want to eat real food. Like I ate junk food all day. I worked at Culver's, which is a fast food restaurant, and I was just eating whatever, doing whatever. Like I did not want to eat real food. I was eating junk food and ice cream and chicken tenders, like nothing else. So yeah, around last year, I kind of just realized I needed to lose some weight. At first, I was doing whatever. Like I wanted the weight gone. I was trying to get it gone fast, so I was trying all these stupid little diets. First thing I want to say is don't. Like, they're all stupid. They're not gonna, you're not gonna try a diet and wake up the next day and lose 20 pounds. It's not gonna happen, and if it does happen, you're gonna gain it all right back. I tried keto. Keto felt like a ripoff to me because I don't know. First of all, I'm lazy. Know that. I just said that. I'm lazy. I don't have time to be picking and choosing super duper specific things for me to eat. Like if I'm hungry, I just need something I could grab and eat. I don't need to be searching for some pork rinds or some pickles because I can't have everything else. Like, no, keto was just a waste. And then the fact that you don't even know if you're in ketosis unless you test yourself with the strips. You can say the keto diet is working for you, but unless you test yourself to see if you're really in ketosis, then it's not really working. I don't know. I didn't like it. I didn't have the patience or the time for it. My mom really loves keto. She swears by it. She loses weight when she does it. I don't got time for shit. I tried intermittent fasting, which actually wasn't bad because I'm not a breakfast person. Eating really heavy things in the morning kind of makes me sick. Like now I kind of eat yogurt and granola for breakfast or a muffin or something. But like I can't wake up and just be hungry. So intermittent fasting, I ate from 12 o'clock p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. and the rest of the time I fasted. That wasn't that bad, but I didn't feel like it was making me lose a bunch of crazy weight. The one thing that I did do that really did make me lose weight was a smoothie cleanse, which it was supposed to be for 10 days. I only did 7. I gave up at 7, y'all. That was a hard cleanse. But basically, you drink 2 smoothies a day, and then you get a sensible meal. So I would drink my 2 smoothies, and then eat like chicken breasts and broccoli and rice for dinner. You can eat anything raw, like as a snack. You can eat grapes, you can eat any fruit or vegetables, but you can't have anything else. I know I was eating popcorn because I didn't care, and popcorn really is not that bad. I was popping it myself in coconut oil, and that was it. So I was eating that because I had like cravings for everything. But that definitely made me lose weight. I lost 10 pounds doing that for 7 days. Basically, I was trying all those little diets and nothing was really working. So I just said, okay, I guess I need to just get my fat ass up and go to the gym. So I started going to the gym and eating healthier. I signed up for a Facebook challenge. There was a personal trainer on Facebook and he was having a 30-day challenge, I believe. And I signed up for that in October, and it was basically whoever lost the most weight would get some free training sessions with him. I ended up winning first place, I believe, for that, and I ended up getting some free training sessions with him, which was good because that would just push me to go to the gym more, lose even more weight. So if you can get a trainer, that's good. If you can't, there are plenty of videos on YouTube. If you even just go to the gym and just like watch what everybody else is doing and just kind of go and copy that, you'll be good. When I meal prep, the next time I do, I can film that to show y'all like an idea of what I eat, but I'm so lazy. I don't have time to be trying to find 50 different meal preps. My favorite meal prep is white rice or jasmine rice, chicken breast, avocado, and cucumber salad. That's like my favorite meal. I can eat that all day, every day. It's bang. Bang. It's so good. I can eat that every day. So I eat a lot of the same stuff because if something is good for me and I can continuously eat it, that's just making my diet easier for me, you know. So I just stick to what I know I'm going to eat. Because if I make something that's supposed to be healthy but is nasty, I'm not going to eat it. And then I just wasted my money and my time because now I'm going to go through the drive-thru line. Period. I won that challenge. I continued training with him, going to the gym by myself. I would go to the gym with my boyfriend. Yeah, I was losing weight. And then I remember in December, he was doing a New Year challenge. So it was a 90 day or 60 day. I don't remember if it was 60 or 90, but it was some amount of days, New Year, New Me challenge. But this time it was kind of easier because I had some of the training sessions from the last competition to use during this one. So I was still training with him. I was still eating healthier, going to the gym, and I was just losing weight. And I remember at a time it just kind of stopped and I didn't lose no more weight. And I was like, what is going on? I can't get this last bit of weight off of me for some freaking reason. And at that point, I was probably like 170. I was like 173 and I wanted to be 165 so bad. From like March and whatever till like June, I would still go to the gym, but not as much because I was like slowing down. Like I was trying to maintain. I wasn't trying to lose weight, but I was just trying to maintain. So I would go sometimes, but only like when it fit my schedule. Like I wasn't trying to fit it in and go too crazy. Once the summer started, this past summer that just happened, I started going to the gym with my mom and my sister. We would go probably 2 to 3 times a week, and that was when the weight like finally came off. Like I got really skinny this summer. I would look at myself in the mirror and be like, girl, like you real life lost weight. Like sometimes I can't see it, and then sometimes I look in the mirror and be like, yo, like Naomi Campbell, is that you? I am currently 164. When I started this whole thing, I was 200 pounds, damn near 200 pounds. I was 198. The biggest thing I want y'all to take away from this video, because people constantly ask me how I lost weight and what I did: eat healthy and work out. Like, don't go for all these stupid little diets. Don't stress yourself out. It's going to fall off. Like, weight does not just come off like that because you didn't gain it like that, okay? It takes time. It took me about a year to get to really where I wanted to be, and I remember when I first started, I felt like I was never gonna be cute again. So yeah, if you're trying to lose weight and you just think you're not gonna never lose no weight, keep going, because it's gonna fall off. It's gonna fall off when you least expect it, literally. If you're fixated on it, you're gonna think you're not losing any weight, and then the day you stop caring about it, you're gonna look in the mirror and be like, I'm snatch. So yeah, that's how I lost my weight, my 35 pounds, I believe. If you guys are interested in seeing a meal prep video and a workout routine video, probably a leg day, because leg day is like my favorite, let me know down below and I will be sure to film those 2 videos for you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Do it now. Bye.